Deep within the dense jungle clearing lies the rusted hulk of a CAT D9, swallowed by the vibrant canopy over 6 decades.
Look at the size of this thing. It's incredible it survived 60 years.
All right, team, let's see what we've got. We should start scanning the cockpit.
As we go to our plane.
The piston wall thickness here is down to 15 millimeters. That aligns with the sensor readings we took earlier.
After 6 years underground, the restoration of this massive D9 bulldozer requires specialized tools and meticulous work. After 60 years beneath the soil, the corrosion is almost complete. The powerful heart of this machine.
After 6 decades buried, the sheer scale of the D9 is still evident. The corrosion.
The pitting on this track is severe.
It's documenting complete structural failure at the joint.
The scan confirms that fracture runs deep.
After 6 decades, the hydraulic lines are finally separated. The thick, pressurized fluid begins to seep out.
The cataloging process is meticulous. Each of the thousands of salvaged parts must be tagged .
60 years down here really took its toll. The rust is extensive, especially on the engine block here. It's compromised.
All right, let's document everything before we stabilize the frame.